if you are honest with yourself, there always seems to be something missing in your music that is holding you back. So you spend countless hours watching production tutorials and tinkering around with your tracks, but you still feel lost and you still are not happy with how your music sounds. You may even ask your friends or post on Reddit or other forums for track feedback, but you always get vague answers like your drop needs to hit harder or you need to just use your ears to fix muddy frequencies. This ends up giving you little to no help. What most people don't understand is that by the time you are at the finishing stages of your track, you have listened to your song so many times that it creates a distorted perception of the track in your mind. And this is where you aren't able to hear exactly what needs to be done to improve the song. You then start to make changes to the track that harm the song rather than help it. Having a fresh set of ears to listen to your track for the first time and give feedback on it is one of the best ways to find out what needs to be improved with your track. You have spent a ridiculous amount of hours on your music, and you owe it to yourself to make the music that you know you are capable of, and I want to help your music get there. My name is Daniel, and I have helped many people improve their music through track feedback. It's been incredible to see the improvements that people have made on their tracks with the feedback that I have offered over the years. And these are beginner and intermediate producers just like you that I have helped improve their music. Because of how impactful my track feedback has been for producers, I decided to offer a comprehensive track feedback service for your music. My track feedback service is a complete service and will offer you actionable steps that you can take to improve your music. Included with every song that you get track feedback on is a PDF, audio file, and images of master bus processing that I did. In the PDF, I break down all aspects of your track into 6 steps. Initial impressions of the song, chords, melodies, and harmonies, arrangement, sound design, mix, and master. The audio file is a copy of your song with the master bus altered to show potential changes that can be made in the mix and master. That way you can hear the difference in what your song could sound like with the improvements. And the images included are all of the master processing that I did so you know how to replicate it in your DAW. By the end of the track feedback that I have given you, you will have a detailed breakdown of your track with actionable steps that you can take to make the track the best it can be. I have given over 250 hours of track feedback through live streams and have helped hundreds of producers all over the world, and I'm confident that I can give you a fresh perspective and analysis on your music that you'll find valuable. So it comes down to a choice for you now. Is it worth it for you to do everything you can to make your music sound the best it can be? Do you want an improved track that gets you more engagement, more plays, and better chances of being featured on Spotify playlists? Or do you want to keep banging your head against the wall, getting meaningless feedback and making changes to your track that don't actually help the song? It doesn't have to be this way. After getting track feedback from me, other producers have said that they have a completely new way of looking at their track and that they would have never thought of the suggestions that I provided. Let me give you the trusted opinion that you have been looking for to help you get the most out of your music. So click below to get the track feedback from me and take your music to the next level. I hope to hear new music from you soon.